The Expedition 1 Scepter Can holder is in. So you see we've got 16 nuts and bolts holding it on to the dual swing out arm. The other arm has my spare tire on it. And now what Brooke Cataleya is doing is she's mounting the Scepter cans. Hang on, back up. Take this out. Let me show you how this works. I'm going to pull this. This one's empty. So go ahead and take out that. So you got to raise it all the way up. And then you got to pull it out of a slot right here, straight out, so that you can remove it if you don't have anything in there. This is the lock. There you go, it's spring steel. Now go ahead and put it back on. So you can't put it on with the can in and then let it hang down. And then we're going to take, we've got fuel cans and water cans. The fuel cans say fuel on them. The water cans say water. And let me show you the difference between the two. Put that one on the ground. This one says water. Just for everybody knows, we've got separate fuel and separate water. The difference between a fuel can and a water can. Water can has one handle. Fuel cans have three handle. They don't have to have the red tag on it, but the P, I believe, stands for petrol, which is typically diesel. In the rest of the world, they might call petrol gasoline. But this has a different cap than this does. This is a smaller cap. This is a bigger cap. And this has a single handle for water, tri-handle for fuel. So we've got olive drab on ours, our fuel. So we're going to put that fuel in, and then we're going to raise up the spring steel. Yep. And you got to really lean into it to get it to clamp down. There's a part for a lock right here, and then she's going to put that hand knob in and tighten it down, and she's going to actually pull this spring steel all the way down, which is going to reveal the hole for the lock.
Also, it may seem hard because it's like a giant piece of metal.
It's
like,
sprung, that's why.
Yeah, but it's actually pretty easy, especially if you do it from the back.
There you go. This one isn't on all the way. You got to keep going.
Where's the lock?
I got it.
There we go. You know, when we were doing this, I was like, "What's the code?" And because I was used to being.
What's the code? There's no
like,
code. It's locked.
Yeah, it's a key.
All right, so there's 3 Scepter cans. These are fuel cans. You can mix and match fuel and water, or fuel, whatever. They've got the lock on it and the knob to pull down on the spring steel. This is why I wanted the Expedition 1 bumper. Even though the holes didn't line up on the bottom row, it's okay. We just went past it and drilled our own holes. But love that. It gives me full access to my tailgate. Keeps my spare out so we can carry all the gear for the Yukon River Quest inside. There you go, Yukon River Quest 2026.